What happens if you select the wrong ITR form? Wondering? Let me tell you. Your income tax return may get rejected and you might even receive a notice. That's why in this video, we will understand the key differences between ITR 1 and ITR 2 so you can choose the right form. First, let's understand ITR 1. This form is also known as Sahaj and is applicable for individuals with a total annual income of up to 50 lakh rupees. Income sources should include salary, pension, income from one house property, or income from interest and dividends. If agricultural income is up to 5,000 rupees, this form can be used. ITR 1 cannot be used in the following cases. If the individual is a director in a company, if they have invested in unlisted equity shares, if they have foreign income or assets abroad, if they own more than one house property, if they have capital gains, if total income exceeds 50 lakh rupees. Now, let's see who should file ITR 2. Individuals and Hindu undivided families, whose income includes salary or pension, income from one or more house properties, capital gains, foreign income or foreign assets. Individuals who are directors in a company or have invested in unlisted equity shares. Those with a total income exceeding 50 lakh rupees. ITR 2 cannot be used in the following case. If the individual has income from business or profession. Choosing the right ITR form is crucial because selecting the wrong one can lead to rejection and even an income tax department notice. So always choose the correct form based on your income sources and file your ITR on time. For more such useful information, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.